What's up guys, Captain Hook here. Check it out, we're doing our first install video on a Lutron Caseta smart wall switch. And we're gonna get rid of this old thing. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Let's get started. All right, first off, we're gonna start by turning the power off. So you'll want to locate your breaker box and go through and find the one that goes to the room that you're going to be installing your switch. Then you want to turn on your extra light, headlamp, power from another room, something like that. All right, first you're gonna take off your faceplate. Okay, now that we've got the faceplate off, we can double check that the power that we turned off at the breaker is actually off, that we got the right switch. So make sure it's on. No power there. No power there. All right, we're good to go. We can start. We are completely safe. Take out our switch. Take out our white wire. We'll need that too. So unscrew both your black wires, or if they're inside this the back part, which I'll show you, you can just cut that. Because after you install this switch, you're not going to need this one anymore. So you can either cut those there, or you can put there's a little tool that you can get and stick that in there, and then it will release this part here, and then you can just pull it out. But I don't have that tool, so not gonna worry about it. And ours is screwed in anyway. All right, so there's that. That's done and over with. Now, on your new switch, you're gonna have a ground wire, that's green, a black wire, that's your hot, a red wire, that's another hot wire, and a white wire, that's neutral. The blue is used in a three-way application. We're not using that one, so we're gonna go ahead and cap it off with the wire nuts provided. All right, that's good to go. So we're gonna take our wire strippers, straighten all these wires out. Take two more wire nuts. So you got your ground wire. That goes to your copper wire. So real quick, something that I want to show you is that you'll have two wires coming out of your switch. Your two black wires that go to your switch, one's going to be hot and the other one's not. Your hot one goes to your black wire. Your other side goes to your red wire. Let me go turn the power off real quick. Okay, so power's off. We're good to go. And then your white wire is your neutral wire. And we're all set. All our wires are connected. And we can go ahead and put this back in. Your new switch comes with 2 new screws, so you want to go ahead and put those in. All right. Also, I don't know who needs to know this. There is an upside. It says it right on there, so there's no way that you could, I mean, you could install it upside down, but it does say an upside. If you don't see that up on top, then you need to flip it over. Also, if you're installing these with multiple switches on either side, you'll have to break off these little connectors here so they'll fit alongside of other switches, because they could be in your way. Let's put on our faceplate. And our flat tip screwdriver. I like them to line up too, so. And voila, we are done. You all are done. Let's go test it out. Let me set you guys right there. Oops. Okay. Let's go flip the power on at the breaker and test it out. We are done. Let's set this up in our Wink app. I'm using Wink, so I'm going to go into the Wink app. I'm going to select products. I'm going to scroll down and hit a little plus button. It's going to pull up this screen. Next, you're going to go to lighting. You're going to go to switches. And we have a Caseta wall switch. made by Lutron. I'll select that. And just follow the prompts. It's going to walk you through.
Connecting your Lutron dimmer to Wink is easy. Here's what you'll do. First, install on your wall. Next, be sure your Wink hub is nearby. Then you'll press this button for 6 seconds. That's it. Follow our step-by-step guide, and if you get stuck, give us a call. Now get ready to shine on.
So we've already installed it. It says make sure the Wink hub's plugged in and in range, which it is. And it says we're going to press the bottom button until the light blinks quickly. So let's do that. Okay, it's blinking slow. Okay, what says while it's ready, while it's blinking slowly like that, we're gonna press and hold this till it starts blinking fast. Like that. So now it's searching. There we go. It finally paired. It took a while. But it finally paired. Then you can go in, name your light. We're going to go with Office. Select Done. Alright, it says Office is connected to Wink. We don't have a remote, so we're not going to worry about that. Now, if you have Alexa, now that you've done this and want to control it with your voice, go to your Alexa app. Select More in the bottom right-hand corner, then Add Devices. Scroll down to the bottom and select Other. And discover new devices. Should take about 45 seconds. 3 new devices found. We're going to select the one we just named and set this device up. I'm going to choose a group that it's in the basement. No, we're going to skip that. Alright. The Office is set up and ready to use. Select Continue. Go back. Let's try it. Computer, turn off Office.
Okay.
Computer, turn on Office.
Okay.
That'll work. So that about wraps things up. Guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you. If you found value to this video, hit that subscribe button right there. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Captain Hook out.